Some noodles. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Dawn Annika. I make lifestyle content, vlogs, shop with me's, clean with me's, hauls, all of the above.
Don't do drugs. If you're doing it, stop it. Get some help.
All of the above. If you like this kind of videos, then be sure to hit the subscribe button down below. And as always, enjoy the rest of the video.
Or maybe because they had really good. Eat it. Bye bye, Squidward. That one right there to the right.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh, he just swiveled.
There you go. There you go. Ready? You ready?
Yeah. Here, I'll eat the egg. Do you think I can do it with my left hand?
Yeah.
But it's good. We just got home from Dollar Tree and our new carniceria. It's so hard to say that, but we got some conchas and some donuts and some cookies in here. Then we ran out of sponges.
Sink looks gross.
Kind of cut you off on the yesterday part, but apparently we ran out yesterday.
Gross.
Gross. Then I got 2 more packs of my hair ties because as Sal puts it, he says
She loses them every second of every day.
Then we also grabbed some poopy bags.
Okay. Show them the real goodies.
Oh, and then we also got Cray a little collar because we wanted to put one on him for when we
board him.
When we board him. These are the conchas. So we have the pink one.
And homemade bread.
They look so good. And then we have cookies.
I gotta make my chocolate first. Hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate time, hot chocolate time, hot chocolate
My dad like, it's hella small.
Okay, like we were saying, we just got back home from the carniceria. Carniceria.
Maybe that's how you say it. Literally it's just a donut, babe.
A donut! We have a donut, and then we have the actual conchas. Do the colors mean anything?
No, they don't really taste. I mean, they kind of taste different, but not really.
They look delicious. They're like day fresh, but they're not literally baked fresh. We really wanted the piggy. Well, I don't know the actual term,
She
but
called it a porquito, something like that.
porquito.
Something like that.
That sounds so cute. But it's a little brown piggy, and that's Salva's favorite. I made it a long time ago, but I was allergic to the yeast
We broke out in hives.
Yeah, Salva broke out in hives, and then
You too.
my whole jaw was kind of like locked for a couple days, and I couldn't feel my jaw, but
It was like, okay, we're throwing the black molasses away.
yeah, it was the black molasses. But I can eat it on any other bread, which is weird. I also have my chai vanilla latte. I did a scoop and a half because this is smaller than the other cups that I use. And it's really good, and I have it with milk. I think I like it better with water though.
Is it good with milk though?
Mm-hmm. Like I'll finish it, and I think I frothed it too much.
Always gotta reheat your hot chocolate because if you get rid of the chunks. If you don't reheat it, you're gonna be drinking chalky ass hot chocolate.
Alright, mister. Let's hurry up now. Which one are you gonna try first?
Ooh, probably a concha.
Okay, I'll try a
Let's try
concha.
the same concha.
Let's try a concha and let's try a donut.
Yeah.
Which color do you want?
I always love the white one.
Let's eat it together. Ready? Move your hand.
Hey.
That's good.
How am I supposed to grab a paper towel? Get a napkin, lick it. Stop!
When you salsa, it's good, huh? Can you salsa on yours?
Hurry up.
sugar was. Mmm. This is a donut.
It's good.
It's like a donut.
Yeah. It's pretty fluffy. It's not undercooked, not overcooked. Perfect amount of sugar. It's good.
You're like a food critic right now. Good morning! I didn't even brush my hair yet, and I've been obsessed with this shirt, so I've just been wearing it. If you guys seen that last video, I got this from Shein. My God. But the whole reason why I started was because I got a few Amazon packages, or one package. So let's use my new box cutter. We bought a few things. I'm also waiting for Cray's diapers. Going home, so I decided to buy this little gadget. So that way when we're home, we don't have to bring home so many things. Yeah, I'm gonna try it right now. It's a 3-in-1 charging station. So it charges your Apple Watch, it charges your phone, and your AirPods. It also comes with a little plug, which I really like. You have the USB with the C cord. Then Sal was being a doll and waiting for me because we're about to clean the house. But here it is. So the front charges your phone, the back charges your AirPods, and
oh yeah, it's a C charger.
And the top part charges your watch, so it just sits here and dangles.
Does it need a block?
That's a cool thing. Wow, babe, you are like moving my haul along, eh? I wanted to get white, but I was like, it's gonna get dirty, it's gonna look ugly. At least with this, it blends into our wall in our bedroom, so when we bring it home, we can just plop it there. We can move all of our actual long chargers to either the living room or our office. That way we always have some. So to answer your question, we have one. They give us one. And they also give us the C charger for it. So that's what we got. I will try it out later because I'm sure Sal wants to start cleaning already. These are the shoes that we're trying to get. I'm pretty sure Sal showed you guys. That's what he showed you guys in the freaking... Is that what you showed them?
Yeah.
just got home from this little taco war thing here in our town, and it looks really cool. We didn't get to walk around because we got the food first, and then when we were waiting for the food, that's when we seen that they were having like a car show. There was different vendors, but we were mostly excited for all the food that was there. So let me show you everything that we got. We grabbed some quesadilla tacos. We ordered 7 and we only got 5, so I'm a little disappointed. And we also grabbed birria ramen. This is my first time seeing anything like this, so I'm really excited to try it. From a different vendor, we got some beignets, and then we have a little ube sauce. And then lastly, we got horchata. I already can tell you that I rate this a 2 out of 10. It's very chalky. There's not a lot of cinnamon taste to it. And yeah, it just tastes like milk, if I'm being honest. So I give this a 2 out of 10.
My ramen.
First, I'm going to try the quesadilla tacos.
Oh, it's so dry. How sad.
It does. And usually, birria is super...
Juicy.
Yeah, juicy. So I'm just putting lime on everything. I'm a little disappointed. I was kind of excited.
It's not $40 worth. That's actually mid as fuck.
I was expecting it to be
The videos
a
they
lot better.
posted look so juicy and so good, and
It's for the video.
like,
I don't know.
like yeah.
Pero
Not
like,
40 much. Pero like it's not $40 more, okay? It's not that much.
I'm very disappointed. I probably give this just on its own without any sauce or anything.
Like 6 out of 10. 5
yeah.
Out of 10.
It's not the best.
I mean, the noodles are good. Try the noodles.
Okay.
The meat's nothing special.
Okay. Let's try this.
There's no lime or nothing. It's just the meat and the noodles.
Okay. Okay.
It's alright, decent. It's not really freaking good. I think that's what this is for. I don't think this is for the taco. I think it's for this. It's alright.
It's a little salty, but it's honestly better than
The tacos.
the tacos, and that's like to say.
Yeah, they just look really better on their videos.
We're really excited. Salva added some lime and cilantro and onions into it, and he said it's a lot better.
Not as chalky after being mixed properly.
It's still a 2 for me. Sorry, guys. I'm not used to this.
How disappointed it is.
Yeah,
So lackluster.
but I'ma still eat it. I'ma still eat it.
One more round. We'll be up 2-0.
We're Minnesota chicken, you're still in control. I'm like, bro, they're 6-0 now, 7-0 now, 8-0 now.
The powder is the best part.
Smells like a donut.
I thought the beignets were delicious. I actually thought that it was more like a bread consistency because it is my first time eating one, but the inside was empty and there was no fillings inside, so it's literally what you see is what you get. It was really good, 9 out of 10, but with the sauce, it made it 11 out of 10. It was delicious. We got the ube sauce. They also had like chocolate, caramel, and one other like cream kind of thing, but this one was 100% the best decision we made that day, and they're located in Chandler. Hello, beautiful people. Happy Sunday. I apologize for this video because there's just a lot of cluster videos just put together and they don't really make sense. But I just wanted to sit down and talk to you guys. It's Sunday. I'm going to be uploading a different kind of video coming up Friday. I just want to start doing different things rather than vlogs. I'm gonna go to Target, Walmart, and Costco, get our normal necessities, things that we need to re-up on that we use every single day. I cut my hair last night. I did that little butterfly trick. I forgot who's the artist that did it. It starts with a B.
All you need to do first is
find
make
it
a
and then
straight
I'll
line
tag them
across your
down
head.
below or somewhere on this screen. I'll tag them. But pretty much is you put a ponytail this way, then a ponytail, high ponytail this way. Then you cut off the same amount of inches or just the same amount of hair off from the front and the back. And then after that, I just went in because I wanted a way more texture. I went in and I added more textures and layers. This is how it looks like with my hair curled. It looks so much better. It kind of looks more of like the hair that I've been wanting. And then this side, because I don't know if you guys watched my previous video, but I went to this hairstylist here in Arizona for the first time. Love the way that she dyed my hair. I wanted like a blonde, caramelly highlights or balayage, and she did amazing on that. But I also get haircuts whenever I bleach my hair because then my ends are super fried and I just wanted it to feel and look super healthy. But when it came time to cut my own hair, I had Sal put them all straight because I wanted to make them just cut it all one length. And if you like really dissect the hair, it's literally like stairs. It was stairs on my hair. And I was like, no, it's horrible. So I did my best to just like U it out and try to get them as even as possible. But I did let my hair grow out maybe a month or two, and then I finally decided to cut it. I do want to dye my hair black again because you could just see the browns coming out, especially at the edges. All done?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you guys for making it this far into the video. If you enjoyed what you watched, the fucking dogs are telling you to subscribe. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. And as always, comment, like, share. I don't care. As long as you're loving the journey just as much as we are. Bye.